Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Nepal here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is something different than my usual tech talk. I want to share with you guys something I've been using for the past 3 years and just let you know of my results and how it's different and how it can actually help a lot of people. And it is helping a lot of people, including myself. So with that, we're going to jump right into this video and go over that. So I'm going to bring something to you guys, talk about a little bit about digestion. If you're not familiar with digestion, if you're alive, you have a digestive system. And something that people don't realize is that your digestive system, your gut, has a big effect on your health. Whether it's what you put in it, gaining weight, being healthy, your immune system. Actually, your digestive system actually controls 80% of your immune system. And I didn't realize that until like 3 years ago. And so I was educated on that. I was like, okay, cool. The reason why I'm talking about digestion is because it's helped me a lot. And that actually helps with a lot of ailments I had in my life. I had some joint pain in my knuckles and my hands and my feet. I had some issues, some pains, some sharp pains. And the list goes on and on. Some increased blood pressure and all that stuff. And just helping you digest certain things, reactions like gluten, all that stuff, and allergies as well. Now, why I bring this up because what I'm about to show you guys is it blew my mind when I first saw it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow, what the hell is this? So, what I want to show you guys is this. This is actually a enzyme. It's called Life. It's a plant-based probiotic, prebiotic, plant-based enzyme. Sorry about that. And I've been taking it for like 3 years, and I will not go without it because the first time I took this, I didn't realize how much I hurt and how much I actually just went day by day and just embraced the pain and didn't know any different of it. So once I took this, I was taking it, me and my wife was taking it together. And we took this and we had like a month supply. And once we ran out, we felt a big difference. It's like, wow, what is going on? It just felt horrible. It felt like we was hit by a truck. I'll speak for myself. I felt like I was hit by a truck. And I was like, what is in that? Why am I feeling this way? Am I getting sick? What's going on? I don't understand. And so we got it. We got back on this. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I just felt like crap. I felt my hands were starting to hurt again. Actually were hurting. My feet were hurting. My joint pains were hurting my knees. And a lot of other things I can go into. If you want to know everything about what happened to me and what it's helped me with, please contact me, and I'll be more than happy to let you guys know about this. Now, the reason why I tell you about everything that's going on with me, I wasn't telling you about everything, but some of the stuff that this has helped me with, is because what this does. So imagine you have a big meal like Thanksgiving or something like that, and then we usually when we eat a big meal like that, we get really tired, lethargic. That's because your body is breaking down the food. Your digestive system is actually taking energy away, and it's actually from your body, making you tired, releasing chemicals to break down this food and do what it needs to do. So, because it takes enzymes to break down food and and process everything properly. So with this actually helps you with that. Because as people, we don't know how much enzymes we have through our whole lifetime. Sometimes we have a certain amount and we don't know what we got and we run out. And that's why people develop allergies and food allergies and intolerance to certain things like lactose intolerance. Actually, another thing I have, and just things like that. So I'm going to show you guys a demonstration and of how this actually breaks stuff down. And what it is a little capsule. And what's cool about this, I'll show you guys everything. What's cool about this is that everything in this capsule is all plant-based. So from the capsule itself that's holding everything in there to the ingredients inside this. Plant-based, enzymes, probiotics, and prebiotics. Now I'm going to set this right back down. I'm going to show you guys this. This right here is, most people are familiar with this, snack pack pudding. This is a actually, I think we got this from the dollar store. I never really cared for pudding as an adult, but as a kid, I used to love it. But this is one of the most hardest things to process. The only thing why it goes down so easy is because it's the consistency of it. It's just like, wow. It's pudding. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you guys. Now, you see this? You see how it shakes like that? It's nasty, right? So, I'm going to put this over there. Now, I have a cup too. This cup right here, it's an empty cup, pudding right here. I'm going to mix this up and show you guys how thick this is. This is pretty thick, you know. You put this in there, it's thick, mix it up, and I can turn and churn all this as much as I want to. Now, I'm going to show you guys. You see how it sticks to the fork, sticks to the cup, the side of the cup. See if I can do this without falling. Upside down. Yeah. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and pour this in here. I'm going to show you how to do this first. So this right here breaks everything down. This is how this breaks your food down. Demonstration. I'm going to put this down so I can open this capsule. And then we'll go from there. I'm going to show you guys the power of this. So empty capsule. That's what it looks like. Now, I want to mix this up so you guys can see. And as I talk and tell you guys more about this, you're going to be amazed. Now, what's cool about this is that I didn't realize what this can do and what it's supposed to do. Your body's supposed to break everything down. As a kid, we have a lot more enzymes than we do as an adult, because as an adult, we lose those. Now, a lot of issues that happen, we just, you know, it just develops, you know. Like I said, I had joint pain. I did have high blood pressure, and I'm not saying this cured anything. I'm just saying this has helped me a lot of things. Helped me with the food that I intake. Helped me break a lot of things down, and has helped me break a lot of sugars down, lactose, enzymes, and things like that. So that's what I mean. Now, as you see, I'm talking, and just as I'm talking, this little amount of time, some magic is happening in this cup. Now, watch when I actually get done, and it hasn't even been over a minute yet. So this was introduced to me, and I was going through some issues. My wife's going through some issues. My wife was diagnosed with diverticulitis, colitis, a lot of itises, and it's just horrible. Okay, I can't even start anymore. Now, I'm going to show you guys as I continue to go over this. So you see the pudding, the cup. Now, just like that, it's just pudding. I mean, it's almost turned to chocolate milk now, and that's empty. Now, imagine being able to clean your insides out like that. And no, it doesn't run out you like that, and you don't have to rush to the bathroom. You don't get diarrhea from this. It's just, this really is very helpful. So that's what I'm talking about, is that it's helped me so much. Oh, some of the trash. There we go. It's helped me so much with my digestive system and gives me the aid that I need to. Now, our body's supposed to do this naturally, but sometimes it needs a little help. And as the more and more we eat a lot more processed foods, we're not eating raw foods, we're not eating as much raw foods. We try our best to do what we can, but you know, we're on the go, and life is in the fast lane. Everything's go, instant gratification, microwaves, fast food everywhere. It's just, you know, TV dinners nonstop, you know, and that takes a toll on you. It actually brings down your nutrients and everything like that, and you don't get the proper nutrients. It doesn't help you. It doesn't break down the proper foods, because all those processed foods doesn't have what you need. So your body breaks down. It's not getting what it needs. But that's a whole nother story. I'm not going to have this go on. But I'm seriously, like, this is amazing. This was a godsend when it came to me, because I've been taking it for 3 years. Me, my whole family, my 4-year-old daughter, me, myself, has been using this, and we love it. It's amazing. We don't miss a meal with it, because it helps break everything down. It helps out with the digestive system, and seeing that our digestive system is 80% of our immune system inside, it basically supports and controls 80% of our immune system. Imagine that. It helps you stay healthier better in other ways too. So to be able to have that working properly makes more sense. And I'm not a doctor. Trust me, I'm not trying to give you no one's any kind of health education. So disclaimer on that. That's not what this is, or health advice. Always talk to your doctor. But this has helped me out a lot in me and my family. And I love it. I will never stop taking this because it's just been so beneficial. So yeah, enzymes are huge, are key when it comes to your digestion system, because if you don't, that food's just sitting there dying and festering. And when dead stuff dies and festers inside, or is dead already, it sits and festers inside your body, that causes decay. And then decay is never good, because if decay sits in your body, it make you sick. So you want to get all that out and actually have it clean you out. Like I had the pudding cup, just like that. So this is still that. It's just going to sit there and keep on doing what it's due. And that's it. So I really wanted to bring it to you guys and show you guys that if you want to know more about this, or you have any questions about this, feel free to drop the comments in below. I will be more than happy to answer those for you. Also, you can hit me up on my my cell phone number, my direct line. That's my cell phone number. It's actually in the description below. You can text me or contact me if you want to know more about this and how, where you can get this. There will be a link in the description below. Fill out the information. We'll send some information over to you, or I will. And yeah, I'm more than happy to share this information with. I've helped a lot of people just by telling my story about this, and it's changed people's lives. So this is actually it's amazing product, and I really do love it. So with that, hopefully you got some value from this one, and you got some good education, if anything. And yeah, I mean, so if you did, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You liked this last one. You may want to check this one out too. So with that, guys, hope you guys have a great and amazing day. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.